Hi, my name is Diane Hubbard, and I'm going to talk to you about making your Victorian terrace more energy efficient. One thing to bear in mind with a terrace is that actually there's relatively little outside wall on a terrace. You've got those party walls both sides. So actually it's a really efficient form of building. And the remaining outside walls are probably really, a lot of it is likely to be glass. So starting to think about your windows is an important thing to bear in mind. The other things to start off with are, have you got basic energy saving measures in place? Have you got a decent amount of loft insulation? Have you got good draft proofing? If you've got open flue, so if you've got some open fireplaces still, then that is something to really consider doing something about. If you still occasionally use them, to fit a temporary measure, either a chimney balloon or a chimney sheet that will restrict the energy loss through those chimneys. I can't overstate the impact that continual air loss and drain has on your central heating system. So in fact, I will have another video on this, so please have a look at the video below on open fires. So chimneys are a factor. Think about your thermal comfort. So what that means is reducing those drafts. So things like where you've got open floorboards, they are beautiful, but believe me, the air really moves through those in windy weather. I'll come up with some more tips and I'll carry on the video as another part. Thanks for listening. Bye.